Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view benefits on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your benefits on your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three line icon available for us. Tap on the three line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the benefits option available for us just above the settings. Tap on the benefits option over here just above the settings, and when this loads guys, all of your benefits on your Terabox app will be shown over here. You can see we are currently on the gold mall over here, but if you tap on the get gold, let's tap on close get gold, you can see all of the tasks you have which you'll be able to complete in order to get your more benefits. And with that being said guys, this is how to view your benefits in your Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.